Dark web. As we already know, dark web is a place from where people can buy stolen credit card number, maybe accounts of OTT platforms like Netflix, HBO, all those related accounts. And in fact, people can also buy malwares or hacking services or maybe a DDoS attack as well. However, dark web can also be used by the people involved in free speech, press, or whistleblowing. Hello everyone, my name is Rasneesh Gupta, cybersecurity author and practitioner. In this video, we'll learn about how to access dark web safely. Just like in the real world, we have websites with TLD as .com, .net, .co and many more. Similar to that, in the dark web, we have extension of onion that ends with .onion. To access these dark web .onion sites, we need a special browser called the onion routing, or in short we call it as Tor browser. It functions exactly like a regular browser, except you can see all the relay hops in between on the top of the browser. Just like we have Google and Yahoo search engine in the real world, exactly the same way we have dark web search engine to find most relevant and active .onion sites. Some of the popular dark web search engines are: first, Torch. Torch is very simple and easy to use search engine on the dark web. Second, Sharex. It's again a very interesting search engine. You can use it to find both regular and dark web pages. You can look for file, images, maps, news, and many more stuff with it. Next, Daniel. It lists more than 7,000 onion sites. These are all categorized to make browsing easier. It will also let you know whether the particular site is active or not. Alright, so we understood about how to access the dark web and some of the search engines as well. Now it is very important to keep a note about security best practices. First, keep your Tor browser always up to date. Disable Java, JavaScript and Flash on your Tor browser. Regularly delete cookies and other browsing history on your Tor browser. While browsing on any onion site, be double sure before you click anywhere. Alright, so this was all about accessing dark web safely. If you enjoyed watching this video, you can leave a like. You can also follow me on Twitter. Bye for now.